Danny, you've got to get my good side.
Don't put a stick in my teeth.
The holidays are here again, and we asked Plant Therapy employees what they were grateful for this year.
I have to go with the cliche, my wife and kids, for sure. After that would probably be peanut butter, anything with peanut butter in it.
Coffee. Morning coffee with honey and cream.
Lipstick and online shopping.
I am grateful this year for times of celebration.
I'm thankful for Netflix.
Well, I've been really grateful for my car heater, defrosting icy windows.
For the New England Patriots.
I'm very thankful for electric vehicles because I don't have to go to the gas station.
I am grateful for Sunday afternoons.
Anything chocolate.
My dog, who is my best friend, and yellow Red Bulls.
Sunflower seeds and Diet Mountain Dew. Woo!
I'm grateful for sushi.
I'm very grateful for baked potatoes.
Wedges, shoes, because I can look taller.
Been working hard, weather's pretty nice, so it's not been a bad year at all.
Airplanes, because I get to get on one tomorrow and fly to Washington, D.C.
I almost said hats because I wear a hat like every day.
My family, my health, and my dogs.
Since I have started working in mixing, I am thankful for hot water, long, hot showers.
My family, my friends, and the wonderful people around me at Plant Therapy.
All of the people that work with me, because my life would be absolute hell if it wasn't for them.
Just challenges. Nobody's ever grateful for challenge, but if we don't grow, then we don't experience things. So
We've got a good team in which we help each other.
This year I'm thankful to work with a great group of people.
And my boss. I'm really thankful for my boss.
I'm super thankful for each and every comment that the customer leaves us. Some days are a little bit harder than others. And just to have a great day just really turns your day around and puts a smile on your face.
our customers are absolutely awesome and one of the best parts of the whole job.
I am very thankful for our customers.
I love how much our Plant Therapy customers love us.
I think we got the best customers out there.
I love our customers.
Thankful for the customers.
I love our customers.
Happy Thanksgiving from all of us at Plant Therapy.